Hello, beautiful creative souls. This is Shinjini here from Modern Gypsy, and today I'm just playing around in my art journal painting a whimsical face, and I thought that I'd share the process with you. So I started off by shading in the face using some Derwent Inktense pencils, and then I'm coming in with some Flesh Tone by Taylor Rowney and deepening the shadows with some Payne's Grey and just really working on the colors of the face, the shadows and the midtones and the highlights. So I'm using some Payne's Grey and some brown and flesh color, and then I'm just coming in with working on the background as well with just these bold splashes of color that I laid down with a knife. And this wasn't even a palette knife, it is just one of those plastic takeaway knives that I use quite often in my art, and I find that it lays the color down in some very beautiful and unexpected ways. So just fleshing out all of the colors, moving between working on the face and the background and the hair. And at this stage the face really looks a little bit scary, but then that's all right because that's just part of the process. There is a period for which everything looks terribly frightening until you start to bring it all back together again. So the key is to just keep adding in and taking away. So adding in some darks and then lightening them, and then if you lighten them too much, then darken them again, and just keep going really until you are happy with the process. And that is what you're going to see me doing here quite often, is just pushing, pulling, layering on until I feel happy with how this face looks and how dimensional it looks. So I'm using a mix of acrylics, and then I'm going to come back in again, I think with some Inktense, but and that's a little bit of pastel pencil that I'm blending out with a blending stump. So really just getting in a lot of different tools here as I paint, because why just stick to one medium when you can put all of them together. So I quite like the way all of these colors are coming through from the background, and that soft dreaminess of her hair, and I think her face is almost there as well. So I'll let you watch as I put in the finishing touches with some beautiful leaves through her hair woven down with some color. This is pastel pencil, and then I'm going to be coming in with paint pens and some paint and then some pens, and really just again just pushing, pulling, trying things until I get it to a place where I'm happy with it, because that is what is key, especially in your art journal, is that your pages need to make you happy. You're the only one that counts. So if it makes you happy, that's a successful page.
Sous le ciel bleu, vole ton silence, les cœurs des gens amoureux. Sur mon chemin, comme je suis bien, sans mes tracas quotidiens. Tête légère, regard au loin.
So there you have it. That's the finished piece, and I think that she looks absolutely glorious. So you can see a little close-up of her, and that's the finished painting. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you back here again next time. Until then, take care and keep creating.